decided to let the ms291 run for a little bit. And it's bars that we got rusty. Yeah, it is definitely kind of rusty. Still runs pretty good, like a good saw. Still runs pretty good. And the chain is still sharp. Luckily it wasn't rusted or anything. I'm very lucky with that. Me and my dad will definitely use it. Cut that big old dead tree down. Hopefully this year when it gets time to do it. If not, I'll just definitely get an excavator and definitely push it down and cut it up all by myself. But anyways, still runs like a champ. At least the porch saved it from having its engine locked up by rain. I'll put them back in the garage pretty soon as possible, as much as I can. I will put them back in the garage sooner, probably in September, when I get everything out of the garage all cleaned out. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Always like and subscribe and always leave a comment. Thank you all for watching.